Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this KH 12-inch oscillating table fan. And here are its buttons. Of course you have off, low, medium, and high. So this is the front of the fan. It's a KH symbol. And there's the side of it, the back. And I don't know what's on the bottom. Here we go. And here's some of the information on the bottom. I can see that it's 50 watts. So, and there's the actual name of the company. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Probably pronounce it all wrong anyway. So, let's turn this fan on low. It does need some oil. It's been through a lot of use, so of course low should be a lot faster than that, but you get the idea. See, the blades are kind of offset there because it's kind of making some noise. Go to medium. Buttons don't really want to stay. Very nice breeze. And now for high. So there you go, KH Oscillating 12-inch table fan. Hope you enjoyed, and also please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.